all my shit. These are all my shit. Now I'm trying to figure out how to fit all those bullshits inside that little car. I'm gonna do two. I'm gonna have to come back. I'm gonna do two trips. And I'm thinking even if I do two trips, am I gonna have space? So this is Pvd, UPS Pvd, okay? If you guys didn't know. Plus the ones I just showed you guys on the other side. It's crazy. Now if you don't do this, you're in big trouble, man. It's so hot out there. You gotta get you some juice. And if your supervisor or manager don't give you one of those, that's when you got a cheap one. You need to switch. Okay? To switch up. Get my juice ready. Get my chicken. And I'm good to deliver them packages. Alright, right now it's like 5 o'clock and I'm not done yet. So supervisor just called me. I was supposed to go back to the storage to get the rest of my packages, but supervisor just called me. He told me that he got all the packages, so he want to meet up with me somewhere so he can give me some more of my work. But I think he said that he's doing some of them too, but he's gonna give me some back. But you see, it's getting dark, y'all. It's getting dark. It's crazy. It's crazy. A lot of packages, man. It was like, I think, almost 90 packages. Slaps. Still out here delivering, guys. Still delivering packages. If you put like front, then. All right, I just dropped the last one, the last one that I had. But guess what? My thing said I still got like 15 more. Okay, and it's 5:53, 5 o'clock and 53, but 53 minutes. But the thing is, it's already dark. All right. But supervisor supposed to be at my location around 8 minutes. So I don't know how many he's gonna do, or if he's just gonna split it with me half. But basically, guys, oh, actually somebody already do my stuff, you know. Somebody already do my stuff, because yeah, the 300, I only had like couple of the 300, so somebody did some of my work. So that's how it is. So if you're done early, you want to do some more, you can always do it. Okay, so yeah, I'm waiting for the supervisor and then see how it goes. Still going up the stairs. Good to go now. Let's go to the next one. 4364. 4364. Only one. 3751. Okay, which I think that's 3761. Okay, 3751 is over there. So apartment 1. So that one is right here, which is great. 37. Yeah. That one is right here. Whew. That's what's good about it sometimes. Yep. The houses are right there close to each other. And then it says apartment 1 and then 2. Now I'm looking for okay. This is now the numbers have letters in front of them, right? I don't want to put it at the wrong. I'm guessing this building is 3751 too. No, that's 41. Shit. I guess I was at the right one then. Or maybe it's in the back. Hopefully nothing can get me here. Nope. Yeah, that shit look ghetto. Let me get the fuck out of here. That shit look ghetto, y'all. So I guess I was at the right one. Yeah, I was at the right one. Now, so many trucks, I can't even get to my car. Alright guys, finally done. Supervisor is here. So yes guys, finally done. Today was a rough day, so if you guys like the video, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment. I ain't got too much, man. I'm tired. I'm ready to go home.